guys. Getting ready to get the kids up. Excuse my morning look, but this is true. So I'm getting ready to get the kids up. I'm gonna make them breakfast, and yeah, and then we'll go from there. So I thought that I should just check in with you guys and say good morning. See you in a little bit. So I'm going downstairs to get the kids up. Last night was our first night of kind of getting the kids into a routine. Didn't work out too well. I finally got them to sleep around 10, so I was hoping they'd stay asleep. And Aaron woke up at like 11, and he wanted to stay up, so I went to bed with him downstairs, brought Shane downstairs, and Annie, and Aaron wouldn't go to sleep, then Shane woke up, and they were up till like 4 in the morning, but I'm still getting them up. That way, maybe my thoughts, maybe when I put them to bed tonight, they'll be really tired because I'm going to skip a nap again. That's right, first time I've had this issue. So again, if you have any tips, let me know, because I will take any at this point. But yeah, I'm going to wake them up. Good morning. I'm getting your clothes. So I got your clothes. Trying to get Annie's clothes together. Here. Why don't you take your night-night diaper off? Okay, and we'll get you dressed.
I'll take a picture of John.
Oh, handsome. All dressed? Feel better?
Can I see?
Yeah.
Can I see?
You gotta be in the... Look. Stand back up.
Take a picture.
Handsome. And Aaron's up and he's all dressed. Won't let me button the bottom button, but it works. And Shane is a monster this morning. It's okay, Aaron. You're grouchy today. I like your mask, Shane. Yeah. Miss Annie Bug, the week. It's your week. Annie. Annie Bug. Annie Bug. Where's your Spider-Man? There. Ooh. And, oh, it's Shane's mask again. Miss Annie Bug. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Ellen. Yeah, I see him.
Look, I got It's a man.
Oh my gosh, that is scary Halloween. Oh my gosh, goodness. Sorry about the fanciness, but for breakfast we are having plain old Cheerios. Always yummy. Always a go-to when you're low on food and I need to do grocery shopping. Grab all the cereal. Drink it. Here's a straw. Ooh. No. Oh, we are grouchy. These toys in my bathroom drawer. I wonder who did that. All right, makeup done. Success. All done? Are you 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 all done? Little kitty? Are you all done? Oh, kitties. Oh, baby kitties. Oh, I got milk here. Oh, kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty. Oh, you want some milk? Drink your milk. Drink your milk, kitty. Drink your milk, kitty. Didn't want to eat our cereal. We just wanted to play kitties and drink our milk, huh?
Yeah. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Hair? What color is your hair?
It's blonde.
Blonde. Good job. What color's brother's hair? Crazy. What color's brother's hair? What color's your hair? What color's your hair? What color's your hair? What color's... Hey, Shane, what color's Aaron's hair?
Blonde, white, yellow.
No, Aaron, no. No, it's brown. Brownish. Dirty blonde. Dirty. I think winter is upon us. It is freezing. It's October. Yep. All of the ingredients for winter-ish, fallish weather. But this is what we do. When we listen to Halloween kids songs, we run in circles. Time to go wake sleeping giant. I need to go grocery shopping before he goes to work tonight. Good afternoon. Say hi. 10 minutes later, he's still laying in bed. Is that nummy, Aaron? Is that nummy? He's ignoring me. Is that good? Is that good? Gummies. How are you this morning?
Don't even start.
Okay, I am off to get groceries and it is freezing outside. Just take a look. It's raining. I don't know how well you can see it, but it is just cold. Cold. And I'm one of the people that does not handle the cold very well. I'm one of those people that is always cold, always. So off I go. What do you got?
I got.
Is it like Italian ice cream, rainbow flavored?
Yep. It's white. Look.
Ooh.
Look at me. Look at me. It's white. It's like ice cream.
Oh yeah? Is that good, Aaron? Yeah? Okay, I want you to see this thing I just saw on Facebook. It is so cool. Look at that. That is like so cool. I just might have to do that for Halloween, but probably not gonna happen. Probably gonna see her talking about it, and then next thing I know, Halloween will be over. But still, it's the thought that counts, right? Okay, I am making hubby's lunch. Give him some grapes. Nope, you get down. Giving him some grapes, some iced lemon pound cake, turkey sandwich. I don't know what these are, haven't tried them yet, but he likes salami and cheese, so I'm guessing he'll like them. It's panino hard salami wrapped mozzarella cheese sticks with natural smoke flavor added, and the kids want some grapes, so I'm gonna give them some grapes, but hubby needs his lunch for tonight. So I'm gonna make him one turkey sandwich and 2 peanut butter sandwiches. Don't ask me why he prefers peanut butter sandwiches. To me, it sounds for dinner, but lunch, because he works nights, but whatever he likes. So I thought I'd throw in a turkey sandwich in there for protein. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, huh, Shane?
Yep, I want to eat it.
Huh, Ellen? You want some grapes?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Here, squeeze it.
No.
You gotta squeeze it. It's hard to squeeze, I'm helping. Oh my goodness.
I could joy.
This is supposed to be the easy way.
I could go, Mother.
Open it up.
Come on, I had joy to bed.
You tying it up like a present?
Yeah, it's this and last. You got black cupcakes. I think it's chocolate cupcakes.
Yeah,
and
but-
this is freshly.
Yeah, just.
And brother's got red velvet cupcakes by Hostess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yep, open it up. Let's see what we got with.
Oh my goodness. I think somebody pooped. Somebody pooped. Owen! Did you poop? Did you poop? Owen! Did you poop? Did you poop? Did you poop?
And hold on, me.
You didn't poop. You're a big boy. Did you poop? I believe he pooped and he's denying it.
Yeah.
You pooped.
Stinky.
You're a big boy. Ew.
Ew.
Look on me, fingers. It's filthy on my fingers. Whoa.
It's I don't know if you'll like these, but take with you.
Yeah.
I didn't make those.
Healthy. I don't know if it's healthy or not.
I want to.
And then, did you eat this yesterday?
I want to.
Do you
So,
like these?
Yeah, I want to eat them.
What about me? Can I have them?
okay, I got you 2 peanut butter sandwiches, a turkey sandwich.
show anybody the refrigerator. Trust me on that.
It's life.
No, not that.
Anyways,
That is horrible.
I made you 2 peanut butter sandwiches, 1 turkey sandwich. Grapes. I didn't make the grapes.
Aw, honey. You're the greatest.
Aren't I swell?
Gib mir Kinderapfel now. Ich wollte Kinderapfel now. Not a Kinderapfel now. Not a Kinderapfel now. Not a Kinderapfel now. Not a Kinderapfel now. Kinderapfel now.
Hard worker over there.
Oh, thank you. I tried. I don't like it, by the way.
Oh, I believe it. Sorry, what was that?
Nothing. You missed it.
What'd you say?
You shut it off.
No, what'd you say?
Well, I said something nice, but you missed it.
Pretty please. Fine.
I love you.
Aww.
Okay.
Hubby just left for work, and now it is chill time. Oh, for you guys anyways, not me. I have chores to do, don't I? Just because you depend on me so much.
Stinky. Stinky girl. Stinky girl. Stinky girl.
You gonna sit up?
Annie. Aren't you so cute? Annie. Annie bug.
Yeah, hubby just left for work. This is when I get sad because I miss him, obviously. Yeah. Kids are watching some YouTube videos. Mostly hobby kids, they love that. And it's me and Annie are chilling. Inst. I can't get your other hand. Inst. Bath time. Come on, Annie bug. What are you doing? Come here, girly poop. Okay, gotta take a bath. Don't mind the marks in the tub. It's our bath tank. Okay, boys, jump on in. Alright. Oh, spider. You guys can see them. Okay, we are all bathed. We're in our jammies. We're getting ready to eat some chicken and rice.
What did you make at the
Whoa. Okay, it's warming up in the microwave. And yes, it's Campbell's tonight. It's not like I made it, but I do make food, and I probably will vlog some food tomorrow that I'm gonna make. It was easy, simple, throw together, and they're hungry. So. You are silly. Okay, are you guys ready to eat? I gotta take that trash out. Yummy looking. Let me get. Why do I not? There we go. Fork. Looks pretty good. Here's your dessert. Those Philly swirl cups. You dip it with this, huh? It's like a little sucker thing. Aaron's got the cherry melon or something. This little thing. I think this is blueberry jam. They look like this. I'll show you. The Philly swirl cups, and there is cotton candy, sunburst, hurricane, cherry melon, and rainbow. And they've got 3 candy spoons included. You think they'd add? Why would they only include 3? Interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna be buying more of those. Too yummy. All right, are we ready for our book tonight?
No, we do have some.
Yeah, we do. It's Are You My Mother by P.D. Eastman. I always thought it was a Dr. Seuss book. I don't know why. What's got that for it? You ready for your book?
No.
Okay, here we go. Are you my mother? Watch out, Aaron. Gotta turn the page. A mother bird sat on her egg. The egg jumped. Oh, said mother bird. My baby will be here. He will want to eat. I must get something for my baby bird to eat, she said. I will be back. So away she went. The egg jumped. It jumped and jumped and jumped. Out came the baby bird. Where is my mother? He said. He looked for her. He looked up. He did not see her. He looked down. He did not see her. I'm gonna go home. I want my mother.
Look. He's crying.
Yeah. Then something happened. The snort put that baby bird right back in the tree. The baby bird was home. Just then the mother bird came back to the tree. Aw, here she comes. Do you know who I am? She said to her baby. Yes, I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are not a kitten, you are not a hen, you are not a dog, you are not a cow. You are not a boat, or a plane, or a snort. You are a bird, and you are my mother. Ready? Open. Open, look at me, so I can do it. He wants to look in the mirror. I am not left-handed, am I? Right, up top. Oh, sorry. All right, ready to brush our teeth?
No.
Open your mouth. And he's not gonna let me do it. Simple, typical, yeah. Not gonna let me do it. All right, I'll be back. Well, that's always fun getting Aaron to brush his teeth. I'm going to go get the bed ready downstairs. I'm just gonna pull down the blankets so they can go night-night. You ready for bed?
No. We have to read another book.
Okay. What do we got up there? Special blankies. for them, and they got their water. All right. I think we're good. Okay, say goodnight to the camera. What are you doing? Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Be nice. Say goodnight. Good night.
And let's read another book.
Say goodnight, Aaron.
Owen.
Can we read another book?
We will, okay? We will before bed. Okay, guys, it was fun vlogging today. Please remember to like and subscribe. And